Lover lover, and welcome to How to Be Samoan, the podcast, where we talk about being Samoan, our identity, and how we came to form the identity of being Samoan. My name is Moana Pitaya, and I am your host for today. I wanted to begin with how we came about the podcast in the first place. How to Be Samoan came about because there are so many people out there telling us that there's only one way to be Samoan. So you're not Samoan if you don't play rugby. You're not Samoan if you don't speak Samoan. You're not Samoan if you don't live in Samoa. You're not Samoan if you're not a Christian. So all of these little things that people have said to me and to other people about being Samoan made me question who I was as a Samoan growing up outside of Samoa. And so my identity as a Samoan was tested by all of these thoughts and all of these beliefs of other people. And what I came to understand is that being Samoan means you have Samoan blood running through your veins, and that's the only thing that makes you Samoan. People get confused with Samoan culture making a person Samoan, whereas it's your blood. Your blood makes you Samoan. Your heritage, your ancestors, they make you Samoan. Your understanding of culture, your religion, your sport that you choose to play, your ability to act, your ability to sing, none of these aspects make you a Samoan. They help you to form your identity, but they do not make you Samoan. The only thing that makes you Samoan is your blood. And this podcast has come about because there are lots of misconceptions about what a Samoan is. There are negative stereotypes in movies, there are negative stereotypes on the news, and they all bring a different light on who Samoans are and what they do. Not all Samoans play a sport. So having that understanding of there not being just one way to be Samoan is something that has benefited me personally and others who I have met throughout my life, because it can be difficult trying to please so many people and trying to form your identity based on what other people say, what other people believe. And this podcast aims to share the experiences of so many different Samoans in different countries, in different that are mixed race, some that have no understanding of Samoan but have formed an identity as a Samoan, Samoans who've been adopted. We want to hear, this podcast would like to feature the voices of Samoans from all around the world and within Samoa to highlight and bring a spotlight to the fact that there is no one way to be a Samoan. You can live and be raised, you can have a set of siblings born and raised in the same country, have the same parents, had the same upbringing, and each one of them have different identities as a Samoan. We hope to interview as many different Samoans from around the world, within Samoa, outside of Samoa, and learn about their experiences and make it more widely known that not all Samoans are the same. Not all Samoans are rugby players. Not all Samoans sing. Taking away and breaking down the stereotypes by sharing the experiences of Samoans from around the world is the whole purpose of this podcast. We're not here to bring down Samoan culture. We're not here to make anyone feel uncomfortable. We're here just to share our experiences so that other people can learn and other people can relate and other people can understand who we are, where we come from, and what we believe as individuals who identify as Samoan. Yes. So if you are a Samoan and you feel that this podcast is something that could benefit you, please subscribe to our podcast. Make sure to turn on notifications so you get the latest episodes. We hope to upload an episode every 2 weeks. And we also would love it if you wanted to join our podcast as a guest, or even suggest any guests. Our email is in the show notes, and you can leave a comment there. And yes, so that is how to be Samoan came to be. Tell us if you think that you feel this is going to be beneficial to you, and even if it isn't, you can let us know as well. And that's all for our first episode. Whawhatai te lava. Thank you so much for joining us. My name is Moana Pitaya, and I will see you in a couple of weeks.